In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize appearance on Acuity Scheduling. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to acuityscheduling.com. From in there, you can proceed to create an account by clicking onto this Get Started option. So if you already have an account, you can proceed to do so by clicking on this Login if you already have one. So let's head over and log in into my account. Here is my account right here. To customize the appearance on your Acuity scheduling, you need to head right here to your left sidebar and you can find your scheduling page. Click on this right here. It should be able to show you the preview of what your scheduling page looks like. So to change its appearance, click on the styles option. In here, as you can see, it matches our website and we have in here the color palette options. You can also change the colors right here as well as the background color, header text, scheduler text, button, and accent color that you wish to use. I'll choose right here this one from our color palette, which actually helps match our website right here. You can change some backgrounds as well as change the fonts right here. For example, let's choose right here from these options that we have. Let's choose Merryweather. And then it will reflect instantly the font change that we have made. So onto this page, you can only create several customizations that are really tiny, which are just the styles and text. As you have noticed, you can only save the text as well as the style color. So click on the save option in order to save it. If you want, you can also enable advanced CSS, but this one actually requires a freemium plan as well as knowledge to coding. So if you're knowledgeable and you have an upgraded plan, then I recommend you to customize appearance by using this part. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.